Второй класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 82-83. English, Spotlight 2, My Toys, Homework page 82-83. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 82, 82. Exercise number 1. Прочитай слова, составь предложение и скажи, что изображено на картинках. Teddy bear, toy soldier, ballerina. Number 1. It's a ballerina. Number 2. It's a toy soldier. Number 3. It's a teddy bear. Read once more, please. It's a ballerina. It's a toy soldier. It's a teddy bear. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Прочитай предложение, выбирая нужный предлог. Number 1. The teddy bear is in the toy box. Number 2. The teddy bear is on the table. Number 3. The teddy bear is under the shelf. Read the exercise once more. Number 1. The teddy bear is in the toy box. Number 2. The teddy bear is on the table. Number 3. The teddy bear is under the table. Boys and girls, Open your books, please. Page number 83. 83. Look at the picture, please. And read. Repeat after me. Toys for me. Toys for you. Toys for everyone. A pink ballerina. A blue toy soldier. We are all having fun. Toys for me. Toys for you. Toys for everyone. A brown teddy bear. A yellow doll. We are all having fun. Boys and girls, read the rhyme once more. Repeat after me. Toys for me. Toys for you. Toys for everyone. A pink ballerina. A blue soldier. We're all having fun. Toys for me. Toys for you. Toys for everyone. A brown teddy bear. A yellow doll. We're all having fun. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time. Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is